Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Bargain Bead Box for May of 2025. If you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, the monthly boxes are $22.99 a month and they're valued over $60, most of the boxes being about $80 a month. Lots of beautiful gemstones and beads in them, and they do a great job of curating them every month. I have a coupon code for BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. I will leave the coupon code below in the description. So I did look, couldn't help it. I received this like 2 days ago, and with Mother's Day, I didn't have time to do an unboxing. It's called Mayflowers 2, and it says, bring on the springtime blooms with this colorful collection. Purples and pinks combined with touches of greenery and sunshine, plus lots of lovely floral motifs. Gemstones including a lapidolite pendant, lavender amethyst rounds, faceted rose quartz, and more, while accents of crystal, glass flowers, and real gold plated findings complete the collection. And if you belong to them, they have a 30% off coupon for May. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, lots of pretties. Put this aside. Yeah, Lauren always does such a great job every month. And they're on YouTube too, if you want to follow them. Okay, let's see what kind of beauties we got here. Ooh, oh, I love these. The porcelain floral round beads. These are so pretty. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got some, tulips and leaf beads. Okay, got some gold flower spacer beads. Lavender amethyst rounds. Okay. Let's see. I did see a pendant in here, and I know it's right in front of me. Oh, here it is. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let me get everything set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are starting out here with 42 millimeter purple lapidolite, and brass teardrop pendant. Retail value is $6.99. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. Got some good strength to it. It's not too thin. It's not too, it's got some weight to it, but it's not too heavy. Like if you're wearing it around your neck, it's not going to weigh you down. This is so pretty. Oh, what a great way to start out the box. And number 2, oh, this is pretty. 16 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia floral rectangle pendant. Look at this. It's see-through. You can see that's the back of it. And then that's the front of it. So it's see-through. Oh, how pretty is this? Really pretty. Okay, number 3 is 6 millimeter lavender amethyst round beads, 15 inches. And these go for $6.99. These are really pretty. You could take these and just make yourself a little double strand bracelet here if you wanted to. Oh, this is so pretty. Very excited about those. Okay, and next, number 4, 15-inch strand of 4 millimeter faceted rose quartz round beads. Oh, quartz faceted beads are so pretty. I don't know if you can see that. I kind of can't tell if you can get the sparklies in there. But they're really pretty. I always love getting a box every month. Okay, and number 5 is 7 inches of 8mm Malaysia jade dyed quartz round beads in magenta. And these go for $5.99. This is it up close. Really pretty. I love these bright colors, the magenta. Okay. And next, number 6, this is new, 7.5 inch 8x4, 8x4.5mm elation, oh God, I can't talk today, elation agate dyed rondelle in lilac, and these are $5.99. Oh, these are really pretty. These are really pretty. I just realized my nails, my nails match these. And I didn't plan that. Oh, these are really pretty. Yeah, nice. The holes are really well good in them. Okay. Next is number 7, 7.5 inch 8mm synthetic crackle quartz man-made beads in violet. Okay. These are pretty. If I'm getting it, moving it around enough so you can see the sparkle in there. Try and kind of do that so you can. These are really pretty. This can be a fun box to work with. Okay. Number 8 is 12 inches of 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in deep sea green. And these are $3.99. They always have their crystal bicones every month. These are crystal faceted, so they've got even more sparkle to them. Look at that. When you move it around. Yeah, so these are pretty. Okay, and number 9 is 8 inches of 6x5mm crackled crystal faceted rondelles in varied citrine. And these are $3.99. These are pretty. Trying to kind of, I'll just put them in like this, move them around so you can kind of see that sparkle in there. Yeah, these are pretty. Okay. And number 10 is 6 pieces of 10mm porcelain floral round beads, $2.49. And these are really pretty. Look at the little flowers on them, so pretty. Okay. And number 11 is 20 pieces of 8x6mm glass trumpet flower beads in magenta ombre. Oh, these are pretty. And I use these a lot as bead caps too. Like I will put a bead in between there and use them like a bead cap because there's so much color. They make great spacer beads too. You can face them towards the bead like that and then put something small in between. And makes really pretty jewelry like that. So you don't have to use them as flowers, even though they are flowers. Just another way to use them. I use them a lot like that. Okay, and number 12 is 10 pieces of 9mm pink tulip and 10 pieces of 14x16mm leaf beads. Oh, I thought these were broke at first. I see what they are, tulip beads. Okay, I don't know if you can see them like this. And then these are leaf beads. They look like they're broken. It's just, and it's probably just the shape that they're showing. But like, see how you could do it against like that. And that would be really cute. I have so many lights shining on me to film this that, okay, when I look at it like this, I can see how it's got the tulip shape now. But these are really pretty. Okay. And number 13 is 2 pieces of 14 by 15 millimeter cherry blossom charms with enamel and rhinestone. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, how cute are these? Oh, how cute are these? That's the back, and then this is the front, and then there's a little hoop right there. All right there, so you can dangle them from something. Oh, these are cute. These are the cute on earrings, of course. And then number 14 is 1 pair of 15 by 18 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass butterfly wings. Oh, so pretty. So these are, see how they're like that. So you could actually put a bead in between it and make these almost like bead caps, but then they'll pop out with the wings. These are really pretty. That'd make a really pretty pendant. Okay, number 15 is 2 pieces of 42 by 15 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass 3-flower links. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, they had something like this before. This was really fun. So see it, hold on. So see, these are, they have a hole up there and then they're connected. So they're really pretty like that. So you get the 3 in each. So you could like make an earring and dangle this from the earring, or make this a really pretty choker. Dangle that from the choker. Or just a regular necklace. Okay, and number 16 is 10 pieces of 9 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated flower spacer beads. These have some weight to them. So the hole goes through the side. These are really pretty. Very pretty. And number 17 is 13 by 11 millimeter, 16 millimeter bar, 24 karat gold plated toggle clasp. Oh, this is pretty. Let me bring this like that. It's got this little right there, and it's plain right on that side, but then you get that on that side. Very pretty, very dainty. And okay, number 18 is 1 meter, 4 by 3 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated stainless steel chain, hypoallergenic. So it's got our chain. They always give us some kind of a chain every month. They give us a little bit of everything. It's really nice, because if you don't have a lot of supplies, for not a lot of money, you can make quite a bit of jewelry. I've taken some of these bags and made like 3 necklaces and a couple bracelets and a couple pairs of earrings, and you know, you can get a lot of jewelry out of one of these. Got that. And then last but not least, number 19 is a bonus gift. 2 pieces of 6 by 4 millimeter, 18 karat gold plated brass tube bail beads. So these are pretty. Love a good bail bead. These are nice. I'll definitely be using this month. These are really pretty. So Mayflowers 2 collection. As usual, I'm very impressed with this. This is so pretty. So like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box. I will leave the link in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and definitely stay tuned. I will be making lots of jewelry from this bag. So as usual, I have all my links below to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook if you'd like to follow me on there. And I hope you enjoyed this. And please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, helps me to keep creating more content for you guys, and it helps the algorithms when people are looking for videos. So I appreciate each and one of you, every one of you, and you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.